Finally, I found the best switches for my Wooting 60HE, and they make this keyboard sound amazing. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is my Wooting 60HE keyboard. Maybe it's hard to see, but this is this keyboard. So, how I built this keyboard? Very simple. I took the order of the Wooting 60HE with a case, keycaps, switches, PCB, everything. Also, I ordered Tofu 60 Redux case with additional weight, additional switch plate and switch pad, right? I ordered this YMDK carbon DYE sub ZDA PBT keycaps, right? To make it looks amazing with this orange case, this orange keycaps. And it's perfectly fine when I'm playing in Helldiver tools. I'm just enjoying all this stuff, right? But when it's come to the sound, it sounds terrible. Really terrible. And yeah, it's a gaming keyboard, but why not to make it perfect? And that's why I finally found this GATERON magnetic switch. And today I have this magnetic Jade switch. And I'm going to replace this GATERON lacquer switch, which is not bad. And I did lubrication by my hand and it's still not good at all. So that's why let's meet this GATERON magnetic Jade switch. Shall we? As always, let's remove the keycaps first. And of course you need to remove the all switches. Before I will switch to the new switches, just check the difference between old lacquer and new Jade. So on the top you see the old switches and the bottom new one. I don't see the huge difference, if any, but you will hear the difference on the sound test later. There you go. It was damn hard to insert the switches into this plate, but also it means that they will be super stable in this setup. And if you're wondering how I built this keyboard from the scratch, just check this video on my channel. If you're wondering what's the difference between these two switches, so first of all, of the structure, yeah, on this one, original one, we have a hole on the bottom side, on this one we don't, and the initial force on this is a 40, and on the new one it's a 30 plus minus, right? So theoretically this one is a little bit lighter, but just remember it's not about this, it's all about sound. Okay, let's move keycaps back. And now the moment of truth. So here we go guys, now it's not only the best gaming mechanical keyboard with magnetic switches, but also perfect typing keyboard, what you can use on your day-by-day activities. And I'm so happy that I finally finished my best Wooting 60HE. See you next time.